Namaskar, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maputo Mallu. Wait. What you see in the thumbnail is not a clickbait. Yes, it has some relation. Today I have brought you to some place which has a relation with Eiffel Tower. Come on, I'll not explain you right now, but let me get back to it. The place where I'm visiting today has been constructed in 1892. Whoa, why it's so old? What's so special? Yes, what you have seen in the thumbnail is not a clickbait, so I'm telling you this. This building was constructed in 1892 from Gustave Eiffel, the same person who designed Eiffel Tower.
That's how it goes in Hollywood perfect.
Casa de Ferro was brought to Mozambique for the residence of Governor General of Mozambique. But did it last long? No, because of the tropical change in the climate, it was getting very hot, and it's made with iron. As you can see, it's like completely iron. The whole building is like made of iron. So to staying in such a place for long, and that time there's no AC, all those problems. Yes, it was a problem for Governor to stay here.
Like that bourbon, I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes.
For the YouTube channel, I'm taking sacrifice. It's raining outside, so I'm having this umbrella. Let me show you this. Oh, we saw some tourists over here, and let me take you to the tourists. This is the Casa de Ferro. It's a two-storied building. We saw some tourists over here. Let's get to them. Come fast. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah, ¿qué tal? Obrigado. What's
Que sono di
country?
India.
Indiano. Eu sou indiano.
Ok.
Qual
Eu
state?
sou de Kerala.
Kerala, Malayali. So guys, you and I am Malayali, like we just met a Malayali over here. I don't know. He just came to visit the Casa de Ferro on the same day like we just met him. And I'm happy like, if you walk over here, it's a change.
ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ വന്നത് ഞാനൊരു എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ പോലീസിലാണ്.
Okay.
ജസ്റ്റ് അവിടെ നിന്ന് മീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വന്നത്.
Oh, he's got a friend over here who works in police, but the government officials are not allowed to show their faces in front of the camera, so we just neglect that. But I'll take this whole tour with my friend. What's his name? Jamal. His name is Jamal.
Jamal
This is-
from Malappuram.
Jamal is from Malappuram. I have worked in Malappuram. I know the Malappuram peoples are very good. Their heart and soul is very good, and the food. Just forget about
Biryani.
it because like biryani. Malappuram biryani is the most famous biryani. Again, this building was so beautiful that they turned this into a museum. And in 2014, what they did is they renovated the building and opened for the public to see this place. I'll show you this place. Come on. As you can see, like the entry fees over here for students is only 25 BT cash. For nationals, it's like 50 BT cash, and for visitors, it's like 100 BT cash. It's an old one. Now it's totally free. Anyone can come anytime and visit here. Casa de Ferro is located just 20 meters from Independence Square, and there's a cathedral church over here. It's hardly 30 meters from here. It's so accessible, and what you see over there is a botanical garden. I'll show you this place. This botanical garden is, you can see it's only 5 meters from here. If you come to this place, there's a lot of things to explore here. Nearby place, there's a church which is very famous church. There's Independence Square over here, Casa de Ferro, Botanical Garden. We have everything over here. What else? It's a must-visit place in Maputo. Talking about the climate, the best thing about Mozambican climate is if it's hot, it will stay only for 2 or 3 days, and after that it rains, as it's raining today, and the climate becomes cool, chill, and it's very good. And that's all for today. Next week we'll go to some other place. I'll show you something else. So till then, take care, bye. And if you like this video and if you want more updates from Mozambique, Maputo and my African explorer, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Maputo Malu. Till then, Manjo signing off, Maputo Malu.